All right, so this is an upload from the previous short that I did. This is the path I've been walking through this trail. I'm trying to find the tunnel. It's so beautiful. Over here, actually, you know what? Let me turn around real quick before I keep going forward. They have like a little river over here. You know what? I passed it a while ago. So I'm just gonna continue, guys. It's beautiful. I love the birds singing. Okay, so we're gonna go further in. I'm by myself. So it's good to have a partner with you. My friends are working right now. It's Monday. So it's actually Tuesday. So over there, it's like another path. So I'm just gonna continue on the main trail and see what I find. This is a short, so I only got about a minute left. Let's see. We're in Quebradillas, Puerto Rico. So let's just keep going. Let's see. If not, I might have to do a third one. But, oh, there's the water. Here we go. There's a river there. Let's see if I can pull up on it before I keep going. And I'll do another upload later, my third. You see, here's the water. I don't know if you can see the water. That's the water right there. There you go. I've actually jumped into that water in the past with my ex-wife. Same day that we took a picture and I'm holding her belly. Came back home, loaded it up, and she was pregnant. Funny.